Turns out the pandemic has been tough on a lot of couples. One local attorney tells us divorce rates are on the rise.
And we're hearing about an option that lets couples get the longest part of the process wrapped up in just a couple of days. Is it for real? Philip Townsend has more on weekend divorce.
The pandemic hasn't been easy on families, couples specifically. By April, interest in divorce had already jumped by 34%. That's according to Legal Templates, a company that provides online legal documents. Young couples took the biggest hit. 20% of them seeking divorce were married within the past 5 years. That rate almost doubling 2019's numbers. The specific causes may vary, but the uptick clearly points to one overarching factor: the unique circumstances of COVID-19. We spent more time, a lot more time together at home. Job and financial issues followed. And according to Psychology Today, when people are experiencing greater stress from outside of their relationships, they struggle more to problem solve within their relationships. And we are seeing the national trend reflected here locally. How busy are you? I mean, maybe I should ask that.
Things are definitely busy.
Attorney Shira Harrell has been handling divorce cases for more than 20 years. I sat down with her at Hofheimer Family Law Firm in Virginia Beach.
Usually this time of year around the holidays, it becomes a slower period, but things are not slowing down.
And because of the pandemic, the courts closed down for these types of cases for almost 2 months. Couples looking to speed up the process were looking for alternative ways to finalize the separation. And one particular option mentioned on the Hofheimer website caught our attention.
Weekend divorce.
Right.
Maybe explain what weekend divorce is.
Right.
Before couples reach an agreement, their case is technically contested, whether it be over custody, support, retirement, or the house. And when you negotiate or mediate, then you reach a resolution and sign a contract. Your case then goes from contested to uncontested. That process can take months the traditional way in court, or it can be done in just a weekend with the right mediators.
So the purpose or the concept behind this weekend process would be to get that agreement reached, because that really is the hardest part.
Technically speaking, and this is important, you aren't divorced in a weekend. There are certain requirements and timelines that need to be fulfilled in order to finish the process. And Harold says they have been moving away from the weekend idea in a literal sense to manage expectations during the pandemic. But she does agree the idea of mediation for couples, if possible, can lead to much quicker and smoother divorces at a time when more couples are looking for a way out. For 13 News Now, I'm Philip Townsend.